You said that you always do great follow-up. We took a look in the CRM and we determined
That was a lie.
if you look in the CRM, do you see a great follow-up thread between you and your buyers? Are you constantly following up? Are you hitting all of your tasks? If you disappeared today, vanished off the face of the earth, would we be able to go into each one of your customer records and know exactly what is going on? CRM is actually going to weigh you down if you're only worried about today's business, if you're only worried about today's follow-up. But if you like doing long-term follow-up and you hang in there with buyers for days, weeks, months, you have to use CRM and you got to log everybody in there. The CRM should tell exactly the story of what is going on between you and the buyer. If you take a cell phone call from your customer, log it in CRM. If you get a text message on a Sunday from your buyer and you're off today, go into the CRM and log it. If you don't log it, it never happened. So you may say, I always do great follow-up with all of my customers. But if we look in the CRM, it might determine that
Was a lie.
use the CRM.